going on, guys? It's your boy Manic, and this is my first actual real video. We're gonna be outside and it's currently raining, so let's hope we're not crash, and let's get into the video. Alright, so yeah, it's, well, like I said in the intro, it's raining right now. It's currently raining, so it's gonna be kind of a challenge. So I'm getting on my GoTrax. This is my first actual long-form YouTube video, so I'm excited to see how this goes. Let's hope I won't crash. Because if I crash, that won't be very fun. So let me flip the camera around. Those are my sisters right over there. Alright, head in. Alright, we're gonna head back because alright. I don't think the scooter will work well right now. I think I'll just ride my normal scooter because it'll be less dangerous and it's not as fast. So, the scooter I have, I really have no idea what it's called. This is what it looks like. It has these pretty worn out grips. I mean, like, I've had this for a while. So I'll cut back to you for some cool tricks and stuff. Alright, so now I'm on my scooter, and so we're gonna do some cool tricks, and, well, I mean, not really any cool tricks, but just watch over here. I'm gonna do this jump. So I can really only do these like jumps, and the only really cool trick I can do is, so I'm just gonna be riding with you. I'm gonna try to be hitting some of these jumps, so this will be in a time lapse until I get it to actually work. So. About that, our cameraman, or my sister, just fell. But because she's wearing her rollerblades or roller skates, which is probably not the smartest idea in the rain when the roads are like all slippery and stuff. So she got her normal shoes on, and so now she's gonna be recording, and hopefully she won't fall this time. Will you? All right, you're pretty. Kids do. Mom. Okay, just follow me. Okay, so I'm gonna hit a jump real quick. Hit this jump. So follow me over here. So I'm gonna roll off this, bunny hop off, back to the house. So let's try. So I'm gonna get some momentum. Of course, there's a car. Come on. Oh, it went the other way. All right, let's go. All right, follow me. Let's see if I can pop a wheelie on this thing. You think I can? Yeah. So I can pop a wheelie, but I can't like hold it. So here, zoom in on the wheel. Right, here you go. This. Oh, that was a close one. I'll go back to 0.6. Alright. So I can pop it up. I can also do a wheelie on my electric scooter. But it's a little too wet, and I'm saving up for a phone holder for the electric scooter, so I don't have to worry about crashing and trying to hold the brake and the phone. So I'm just going to be using my scooter, my normal scooter, until I can do that, until I get the new thing. So I'm going to hit this jump again. So there you go. Oh yeah, that was a good jump. What was that noise? Oh yeah, I don't know how to say this, but like, it's like wet. Alright, let me try popping some more wheelies. Oh no, my socks! My socks got wet. There's nothing worse than wet socks. Alright, we're gonna hit that jump again.
Yay, buddy!
There's my other sister here saying it. Okay. I'm gonna try. So what I'm gonna do next is, so I'm gonna go from our driveway. I'm gonna pop the jump, turn, come here, and try to bunny hop over the curb thing for for the driveway. So
Yeah.
I just bailed at the last second. I can definitely do it. So I'm gonna try that a few more times, and then we'll be done with the video. So let's go.
Let's go.
All right, here we go. All right, here we go. Alright, let's do it one more time, and I'm not gonna bail this time. That last time, I didn't bail, but like I bailed right after I hit the jump because I was just scared it was gonna slip and lose out of control. So we're not gonna try to do that this time. So let's go. Hold up. Let me fix my handlebars. Okay, that's good. Alright, here we go. Let's go. Alright. Alright, so that will be the end of today's video. And so yeah, thanks y'all so much for watching. I had really fun making this video. And thank you to my sister for helping me do the camera job. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.